Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we have a very quick update on Torchlight Energy, ticker symbol TRCH. We've covered this one so many different times on my channel. We've done stock analysis video, updates, etc. We have been following the process of Torchlight merging with metamaterials pretty much since it was announced. Back in mid-December time it was announced, and then ever since we've been following this. I'm a shareholder in Torchlight, very small amount, but nevertheless I'm a shareholder, so I do have an invested interest in following this company. If you appreciate all of these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. We also have a Discord which is completely free to join, and we have a Patreon where we post exclusive videos and live streams and giveaways, my buys and sells, etc. Come and join us over there as well. Link is in the description. But let's get into this. We're talking about Torchlight Energy today, okay? First of all, I want to start with the share price. On Friday at market close, okay, we actually see a big red day for Torchlight, down about almost 9% in the day, but at one point it was actually down a lot more. It was down about 15%. It did start to pull back towards the end of trading. However, yeah, a nice big red day, okay, not so nice. Anyway, but look at the week. The 5-day chart, you can see overall on the whole week we was actually up about 14%. So had it not been for that red day, if we'd stuck at the 219 levels, we'd actually be up about 18% as well. So a nice green week overall, which makes a change from the choppy months that we've been having. But if we look at the 6-month graph, just to see how this one has been performing, we saw this hit highs of $4.29 back in mid-February. This was kind of the pinnacle point for many penny stocks out there. They got to their highs and then we started seeing sell-offs, and then ever since we've been on a big downtrend. But like I say, we are starting to pull back on Torch. Now, we're actually down about 50% from those highs. Why are we starting to see a pullback on Torch despite the red day? Why do we get a red day as well? Well, the pullback is of course for the merger, which is meant to be happening with metamaterials. This is going to become TRCH will be merging with Mmatf, and it's going to become an Mmat metamaterials. They're going to sell their oil and gas assets. Everybody who holds Torchlight will get a dividend payout, a special dividend, which it could be quite substantial, okay, which is why this is a massive catalyst. That's why this one has started to pull back, because we're getting closer and closer to this merger being confirmed. Why did we see a big red day? Well, we was meant to have the vote. The vote was meant to close on April the 30th. Well, that was meant to be the date that we get confirmation, okay, of a vote. And this was a tweet put out by a Torch Meta account. This is not an official one, but this is following both of these companies, giving us lots of updates. And this here says tomorrow, which was obviously back on Thursday, is required to announce the meeting/vote date. And the overall for this here, you can see Torchlight Meta have extended the date and must give a notice by April the 30th. April the 30th came, okay, and that was Friday. What happened? We heard nothing. We heard absolutely nothing. So we did see a big red day for Torchlight. We had got no information. So now this is starting to make investors worry. Are we actually going to be merging with this company? What's going on? It's already been dragged out and out and out. But yeah, this has been a long, lengthy process. Now I want to show you into this. George Palikaras, I believe that's how you say his surname. He is the founder and CEO of metamaterials, and he's also given us lots of updates. We've been following his account quite a lot over the last few months. And yeah, somebody actually asked him what's going on basically. He said, any idea on what is taking the SEC so long to approve? Are they dragging their feet to inform the hedge buddies? I'm guessing the announcement will be pushed back unless SEC approval comes today. We're meant to get the announcement May the 10th is kind of the deadline date. So that's when all this hype is coming from. That's when we should be getting the confirmation from Torchlight's side of things for this to go through basically. But the SEC need to approve this at the moment. And yeah, that was actually sent on the 28th. So that was actually sent prior to the 30th. But nevertheless, but what we did get here is somebody asked on April the 30th, which was the date we was waiting for, assuming SEC doesn't come through today, will that push the May the 10th deadline? I guess more to the point, I'm asking, will it necessitate an additional filing with commensurate additional weight for the SEC approval? And George Palikaras, the CEO, he did reply. He said, we are still waiting on SEC approval. Now, this was after our big deadline. No news at this time. I know it's frustrating, but we continue to follow the regulated process. Needless to say, Torch will need to revise their published shareholder meeting date. I'm confident more updates ASAP. I am confident as well. So they're going to have to probably move this deadline again, which, as you know, deadlines be moved. We've seen this so many times. How many companies out there are we following where we're planning on having them uplisting to the NASDAQ, or we're waiting for the NASDAQ listing or something to go through regarding that? SPAC mergers, how long have they been delayed as well? Even companies like Virgin Galactic, SPCE, the test flight, delay after delay. Lots of these delays, what they tend to do is actually cause a sell-off in the share price. So we can probably expect another downward trend if we don't get any information over the next few days. When market opens on Monday, we can probably expect probably another red day if we don't hear anything, but hopefully we might hear something by the time you even see this video potentially. But anyway, it looks like the deadline may have to move ever so slightly again, and we need the SEC to approve this. Then we need Torchlight's merger voting date, and then we can finally know exactly what is going on with this merger. When will the merger be going through? We need a deadline date of this merger, and then we can start loading up on shares if that's what you so wish to do. If you're trying to collect a special dividend, or you want to be ahead of the game for when this becomes metamaterials. Remember, metamaterials is the better company to hold in the long term. Torchlight Energy is just an oil and gas company, okay, and all of that is getting sold, all the assets are getting sold, and that's going to be divvied up amongst shareholders. So we look forward to all of this. I'm still following all the updates. As I say, 30th of April, so many people have been asking me what's happened. 30th of April, did we hear anything? No, we didn't hear anything. They didn't put anything out, which means the SEC haven't even replied yet. So hopefully we will hear something very, very soon. But we can probably expect some red in the meantime, potentially. But if not, if it's more green, happy days. If it is red, this is a chance to, evaluate, do you want to build on your position or not? There's no need to be selling at this point because nothing has changed. But I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research when investing. Just a quick update today on Torchlight Energy. We'll give you more when we hear more as well. And if you appreciate all of this, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time.